Living organisms do not live in isolation from each other. There's all kind of interactions between plants and animals, humans and plants, humans and animals, plants and plants, all kinds of interactions. Now, some interactions involve a close relationship between two things, and that's called symbiosis. And symbiosis means living together. Now, not all symbiotic relationships are helpful. Some of them are actually harmful. So in the case of a harmful relationship, you have one organism that's actually hurting, to some extent, another organism. So an example of this is mistletoe. So mistletoe is actually the state floral emblem. All right, it's the state floral emblem because in the hard winter of 1889, the only greenery to decorate graves with was mistletoe. So there's kind of a happy yet not happy connection there. Now, mistletoe is partially parasitic. It's a hemiparasite. It grows on trees, and it gets there because birds eat the seeds, and then when they poop later, the seeds are sticky, and they stick to whatever tree the bird is on. So the droppings fall down, stick to a twig, and then what happens is, when the little seed germinates, it actually starts forming little semi-roots called historia, and they actually tap into the tree system, and that's where they get their nutrients and their water needs met. Now, mistletoe does do some photosynthesis, so it's not 100% dependent on the tree, but it does hurt the tree a little bit. If there's large numbers of it, it can actually cause quite a problem for the tree. The scientific name for mistletoe is phoradendron, which actually means tree thief. And of course, it's stealing nutrients and water from the tree. The word mistletoe comes from two Anglo-Saxon words, mistle and tan. Mistle means dung, tan means twig. So basically mistletoe is dung on a twig, which that's where birds poop out the seeds on the stick. So poop on a stick, dung on a twig, that's where mistletoe gets its name. So the next time you go kiss under it, just think about that.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.